What about you? This is one of my favourite times of the year, March. It's time to wake the lawn up and get started. Today I'm going to show you a really cheap, effective fertiliser that's going to green up the lawn and it's going to help control any of the weeds in the lawn. Before we begin, we're going to have to get the grass cut. Let's do that now. You can see we're halfway. It's surprising how much grass has come out of that because it's been so mild this spring. Now we've got the grass cut, let's go up to the workshop and have a chat about the fertiliser. Don't forget folks, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash that like button because it really helps me out. Leave me a comment if you have any questions below. Welcome into the workshop. The fertiliser that we're going to be using today is called lawn sand. I recommend lawn sand every March because it does an amazing job. It does three things: it kills the moss, it greens up your lawn, it just gets your lawn growing, and plus the biggest reason is it's cheap. Now lawn sand, if you're looking at different manufacturers, sometimes they're slightly different, but lawn sand is lawn sand. What do I mean by that? Sometimes there's a little bit more of one product than the other, but they all do essentially the same thing. Come on, we'll have a look at it now. This is the lawn sand here, but just to take it out to have a look at it. Before we go out and put the lawn sand onto the lawn, I thought it would be important for us to have a chat about what's in lawn sand and how it works. Lawn sand is really good. It's a very basic fertiliser. Our number one element is sand. The sand is just a carrier and it helps the other two products get onto the lawn. Otherwise it would just tend to blow away. The second product in lawn sand is called sulphate of ammonia. The sulphate of ammonia is really good as it's going to make the lawn green. Sulphate of ammonia is just, if you think about NPK, it's the N, it's nitrogen, it's just pure nitrogen, and it's going to wake the lawn up and get it growing. It's also going to knock the weeds back. So sulphate of ammonia is really, really good at controlling the weeds. Now it burns them, so it doesn't kill it down to the roots, but it burns them and you're not going to have weeds in your lawn for a while after you use the lawn sand. The sulphate of iron does two things as well. It's extremely good at controlling the moss. It does this by burning it and it dehydrates it. It also helps the grass plant create chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment that helps make your grass turn green. So whenever you put on lawn sand, your lawn initially goes black, and don't worry, that is totally natural. It goes black, and whenever the blackness goes away, it turns a lovely dark shade of green. So look, now we've got that out of the way, let's go and put the lawn sand onto the lawn. If you want to support the channel, I'm going to leave an affiliated link down below where you can pick up the lawn sand for no extra cost to yourself. I'm going to give you a little tip. Lawn sand will keep for years if stored properly. So with your bag, just push all the air out of it and put a cable tie around it, and lawn sand will last you for years and years and years if you store it in a nice dry place somewhere. I've got the sprinkler out to give the lawn a quick watering. It's to be dry for the next 3 or 4 days, which is quite unusual for this time of year. So just watering the lawn sand in is going to help make it work faster. Generally, you don't need to water it in, but you can. Another task If there's any paving round where you've treated, always give it a blow or a brush to remove this lawn sand because it'll stain everything. If you've enjoyed this video and you'll want to learn how to scarify your garden, watch this video next and I'll see you over there now.